In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Adobe Acrobat Reader app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, by updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix bugs as well as security issues that are associated with older version of this app. So it is recommended that you regularly check for updates for your apps and then update them to the latest version. Now, to update this app, first we need to go ahead and access the app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go ahead and look for this app. So I'll tap on Play Store here, and from here I'll search for Adobe Acrobat, and here it is. From this, tap on Open and then look for any option called Update if it is here. So if you see written Update, it means you have been using an outdated version of your app. Go ahead and tap on Update. Then it will go ahead and download the latest features or the latest app and install it on your smartphone and replace it with this older version. From here, you will now be able to see this option called Open. So for my case, I can't update it because I already have an up-to-date version of Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once you get to this, now you can tap on Open and then start using the latest version with the latest features. So that's how you can update your app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.